Hey everybody, it's Cassie from Helper Tech, and I just wanted to talk to you about iPhone SE screen repair. I'm over here at our Helper Tech Burnsville location, but we can service these at our Helper Tech Egan location as well, which is now servicing the Mendota Heights area located off of Cliff Road by where it hits 35E. With these kind of phones, we can do the two different screen repair options. I can either do it in an hour, and you'd be looking at $69, or I can do it in 15 minutes, and you'd be looking at $79. And any screen repairs do come with $20 worth of store credit towards any accessories or products that we sell. So, we disconnect the battery, take the screen off. I actually had to move the home button and the ear speaker over to the new screen, which is this screen, not broken. And you don't need an appointment. You can just stop in anytime during our business hours. We're open Monday through Friday, 8 to 6, and Saturday, 10 to 3. If you guys have any questions, either about which store is more convenient for you, Helper Tech Egan or Helper Tech Burnsville, or how to get there from, like I said, Mendota Heights or any of the surrounding areas, you can give us a call at 651-605-2575. You guys have a nice day.